Have you ever wondered why you feel sluggish or moody, despite a full night of sleep? The truth may lie not in the hours you rest, but in the fuel you provide your body. Transitioning to a balanced diet can be the transformative solution you never knew you needed. A balanced diet is not just a trend, it is a lifestyle choice that promotes optimal health and well-being. At its core, a balanced diet is about nourishing your body with a spectrum of nutrients from whole, real foods. Incorporating proteins, healthy fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals ensures your body functions at its best. Think of a colourful plate filled with fresh vegetables, lean meats, and wholesome grains. Each bite should be a celebration of taste and health, enhancing not just your energy levels, but also your mood, skin clarity, and sleep quality. When you prioritize balanced meals, your body responds positively. No more energy crashes in the afternoon or persistent bloating discomfort. A well-balanced diet helps to regulate blood sugar levels, ensuring a consistent flow of energy throughout the day. The benefits extend beyond mere energy. A diet rich in fiber, particularly from fruits and vegetables, supports smooth digestion while bolstering your immune system's defenses. Lean proteins aid in muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats are essential for optimal brain function, enhancing cognitive abilities and overall mental wellness. The misconception that achieving a balanced diet requires perfection can be intimidating. However, it's crucial to remember that balance doesn't mean deprivation. This means enjoying your favorite foods while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If 80% of your meals prioritize nutrient-dense, wholesome choices, the remaining 20% can indulge your cravings without guilt. This approach celebrates the joy of food, encouraging you to relish every bite while still caring for your body. Ultimately, the journey toward a healthier life begins on your plate. Choosing real diverse foods prepared with intention can yield dramatic improvements in energy, focus, and longevity. Making small but meaningful changes can lead to a cascade of positive effects on your overall health. So why wait? It's time to embrace a balanced diet and transform your health one delightful bite at a time. Remember, this journey is not about quick fixes. It's about long-term wellness and enjoying every step along the way.